Now we will discuss forms of environment degradation. There are many degradation that can impact our environment that can happen in soil or land degradation, deforestation, degradation of air, degradation of water and slum conditions. First discuss soil degradation. Excess use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides or dump waste from mines and industries on land kills essential microorganisms in soil and make it infertile. Decrease in amount of microorganisms in the soil decreases soil fertility and make it barren. Also, clearing of trees causes washing away of topsoil and result in soil erosion. It causes diseases that affect human health. Deforestation. Deforestation is the process of clearing of forests and it causes landslides, floods and soil erosion. It raises the level of sea and reduces land cover. Therefore, it results in less rainfall which leads to drying of spring, lakes and rivers. Now we will discuss degradation of air. Degradation of air can happen due to acid rain, depletion of ozone layer, global warming, man-made disasters and of course diseases. Acid rain. Smoke from vehicles and industries gives rise to harmful gases which react with water vapor to produce dilute acids and come down as acid rain. Acid rain is very dangerous to plant, fishes, animals and human also. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone layer protects the earth from overexposure to the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. This ozone layer gets destroyed by harmful gases which are used in refrigerators and other fire extinguishers. Ultraviolet rays can cause skin cancer and eye problems like cataract and even permanent blindness. Global warming. Tons of gases like carbon dioxide, methane are released in the atmosphere and form a blanket around the earth that is called as greenhouse effect. Now this greenhouse effect results in an increase in atmospheric temperature and this phenomenon as we all know is called as global warming. Man-made disasters, nuclear bombs, terrorism and industrial slip-ups are causing more harm to the mankind than any other disaster. Diseases. Starting from simple disease like cough, cold, bronchitis, asthma, lung cancer, irritation and itching of skin, watering of eyes, all are causes of environment degradation that impact human health. Now we will discuss degradation of water. Water degradation by industrial waste cuts the oxygen supply of water and it will further reduces the oxygen available for fishes and animals living in the water and eventually they got killed. Waste from sewage is mainly responsible for most of the diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid and other gastrointestinal diseases and of course malaria. Now slum condition. Slum condition results in unhygienic living condition which are prone to high noise and pollution level. Slums are breeding ground for chronic diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, tuberculosis and even cancer also.